Hello guys, you're welcome back to class. Today's class we are going to continue from where we stopped, which is the logical function. If you remember very well, we did and at all in our last class where we told us that words for and to all they are conditional statements or let me say conditional functions which return either true or false. So what we want to do today is just like you are trying to take out a step forward from what we did, but we are still within the scope of what conditional function. Yes. Okay. So as I'm explaining, like when we were using hand and all in our last class, it was returning true, false, true, false. The function we want to talk about today is just another function that actually it tests whether a condition we are giving it is either true or false. But the reason why this one looks kind of what amazing is that it gives us the power, gives us the autonomy of deciding that okay, my Power BI, I don't want you to return true, I don't want you to return false. If it is true, I want you to return this for me. And if it is false, I want you to return this for me. Let me come again. The function we want to use today it gives us the power of telling our Power BI that if this conditional statement is true, return this for me. If this is false, return this for me. So that's what we want to do in today's class. So, and what is that function? The function is what is the if logical if logical function. So let me just call the column name if, and don't forget this is not an aggregation, so it's not something we are going to want to use measure for. So what you can use for this is what is the column. Okay, it's a calculated column. So let me call it if column. Let me move this. Let me use underscore like this. If logical. Okay, you can just call it if logical. So at least so that you rhyme with what you've been using before. Let me call it if logical. Yes. So how do you use it? Do you use this is what we have our if, then we are going to have what our logical test, our argument. Exactly. So now what do you want to do into this class? Okay, let us contemplate. Okay, let us do it like this. We want to look for the performance score. For every performance score that is from 6 downward, you should have what? Good. From 5 to 1, you should be what? First. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any number that falls within that should give us bad. Then from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for any number that falls within that should give us what? Should give us what? Good. Exactly. So how do we now do it? So if now what is the name of our column? Performance score. Performance score. So then we want to see that if performance score is greater than what? 6. Yes. So no, let us say greater than 5. Yes. Greater than. If performance score is greater than 5, so that means performance score is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if it's greater than 5, what do you want? Then if these are logical test bar, so we say comma, then move to our result if to see. It's going to iterate this and it's going to check is this true or it is false. Exactly. So now it's not like, okay. It is, and our Power BI is now asking us, okay, if this thing is true, what do you want me to return in place of that true? Now say what? If it is true, give me good. Use it comma. And if it is false, give me what? Bad. Use it. We've told our Power BI, go and check. The value in this performance score, if it is greater than 5, 5 is not greater than 5. That means what? From 1 to 5, from 1 to 5, it's going to give what? It is going to give me what? Bad. Then from 6, these are greater than 5. From 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's going to give me what? Good. So let us press our enter, see what's going to happen. You see it now. For 4, I'm having bad. For now I'm having good, 4 bad, 9 good, 1 bad, 4 bad, 6 good, 9 good, 10 good, like that, like that, like that. This it. So that's how this works. How this clear. That's how it works. Okay, let us try something else. What can we do? What can we do? Okay. Do they still some way? There's a way you can actually embed both if and together. Exactly. That's what we're going to focus on in our next class. But for this particular class, let us just focus on what? On if only. So, let us see. So you want if region equals to not, it should give us what? What do you call this? So, okay, I want to check if the region is not, it should give us. We should just say it should give us what? Maybe um, um, not region. Yes, not region. Exactly. Give us not region. Then and if it is not every other thing should give us what? Other region. Exactly. If it is not, you give us what? Not region. If it's another what? If it's any other region, you give us what? Other region. Exactly. As I've said, we never want to use if function, use what? Calculated column, right? So let us go like this. Say if logical, if what? If like this. And what? If region equals to what? That's how should we tell? So you see, if it is two, we should choose two. Say what? Not region. Then if it's not taught, we want to give us what? Other regions. Include center. So if you should check, it's not out. So you see, north, north, southwest, north. Now look, not region, other regions, not region, other. So these are what we use our if. If function helps us, it assists us, and it also gives us what the autonomy of saying that okay, I don't want to say two of us as my response. I want this particular what value as what as my response. So that is basically what if function is trying to do. So in our next class, we are going to combine both if function and together. Then we are going to see what how we can dice this and what and makes our work what sweeter and what better for better results. I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you share this video, comment, like, and what, and share it for others to also learn. Thanks for watching. We meet in our next class. Bye. Do have a nice day.